One of my subscribers asked me how to use flash fill in Microsoft Excel, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it in this video with these three examples here. So in the first example here, this first table from column B to D, I'm going to extract the full name here, put first name in here, surname in here from the data here, but do it very quickly using flash fill. In the second example here, I'm going to convert the name into a conventional professional email address here and make sure that's the same throughout using the same conventions very quickly here. And the third one is extract the initials from this, the first name, surname, and just have the initials here using flash fill. Before I continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got my spreadsheet opened up here. Let's focus on the first example where I'm extracting the first name and surname but using flash fill to do that. So let's go into the first row. So the first row, the full name is Alika Ferguson. Highlight the first name cell here and type in the person's first name here. Now what you do, because you want Excel to learn the patterns from the first names in all these cells, and what I'm also going to do is type in the first name of the second person, but you can see all of a sudden Excel has detected what the others' first names would be based on the first two rows I've put in there. So the actual flash fill hopefully will work. So once you put in the first two examples for Excel to figure out what the first names are for the other cells, highlight all the cells in the first name bit here like that. Then at the top, there's a few ways to do this. You can go to the top, go to home in the ribbon, scroll to the right side to the editing section there, and in the editing section you will see an option that says fill. Click on the arrow on the right of it, the down arrow, so because what you've got a few options to play around with, and the one we're going to use in this example is flash fill. Click on flash fill, or the shortcut for flash fill is Control and E. So what flash fill does, it automatically fills in the cells. Enter a couple of examples as we've done. You want as output and keep the active cell in the column you want to be filled in. So we've highlighted all the cells. Click on flash fill, and what it's done, you can see on the left side here, it's populated the first names of all those colleagues there based on the information in the full name column here in column B. Now it comes up with this flash fill options. You can click on it. You can undo your flash fill, accept the suggestions, or select all 18 unchanged cells. I'm going to accept those suggestions like this. Say yes, I'm happy with those, and do the same in the surname column. So surname here, Ferguson. I'm going to type in, go to the second one, Bentley. So it's all started to populate the surnames, look in grey. So that's the surname. Highlight the cells, and this time we're going to do Control and E the other way, the shortcut method, and all of a sudden it's completed, it's put in all the surnames there using flash fill. Go here if you want to double check, you can undo your flash fill, you accept your suggestions. Let's accept it. There you go. So that's a quick and easy way with example one using flash fill. Two different ways of flash fill actually. One up here, use flash fill in here. The second method, we use the shortcut. So let's move on now to the second example. The second example, what I'm going to do is by using the first name and surname here, is generate the email address here. Obviously if companies follow a specific convention or a particular convention to write their email address, and normally it's the first name dot surname at whatever the email address is, the end bit is a company name. So in this occasion, for the purpose of this video, what I'm going to do is Alika Ferguson at rasolutions.co.uk. So that is the email address. Now I'm going to see if this works. Let me highlight the rest of the cells. There you go, highlight them all, and let me type in Control and E. And there you go, it's all of a sudden used flash fill to populate the email addresses of the other employees. Now what you can do here in this flash fill option section, accept the suggestions there. So that's the second example there. Now go over to the third example. Now this time I think you get the idea of what to do is fill in the initials of the first person, and let me try without highlighting, typing in Control and E. No, nothing, you need to highlight it. make sure you highlight all of them like this. Now type in Control and E, and you can see all the initials have been filled in there for the other employees. So you can click on the options, accept suggestions, and we've done. So what we've done in this video is use three different ways, used three different examples. Here we've extracted the first name and surname, used flash fill there. We've used conventions and flash fill to complete email addresses here or populate them, and in this example we've done the same with initials. Remember, for flash fill, you either go to the top, home, go to the right side, editing, and choose the option flash fill or Control and E on your keyboard. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe, and share.